Dialog tag genuinely provides a real native modal or non-modal popup controlled by real showModal close JavaScript methods. In this video you'll build a real working dialog. This real dialog genuinely stays hidden until actual JavaScript opens it genuinely closes it, called here on button click. showModal genuinely opens the dialog as a real modal, automatically dimming and disabling the actual rest of the page behind it. The real separate show method genuinely opens it non-modally. Instead, the actual rest of the page stays interactive. Dialog tag genuinely provides a real native pop-up element. showModal genuinely opens it as a real modal, dimming the background. Close genuinely closes the real dialog programmatically. Build a real working dialog with an open and close button. Ready to show real progress and measurement values?